Thank you for calling HM Revenue and Customs. How can I help you? So first of all, the reason you get a call from our department is to inform you that you are being listed as a primary suspect in a case being filed by our department for tax fraud. So any idea about it?
Oh, wow. No, I've heard nothing.
Okay, no problem. So, well, before I go any further, I would like to update you that the line where we are talking right now is being recorded and monitored by HMRC and local authorities. So be careful while you speak on this line, okay? So the investigation report states that HMRC is pricing for serious criminal allegations against you, and they are violation of tax regulation, violation of HMRC code, theft by deception, intentional misappropriation of funds. The affidavit further states that after assessments done by the auditors of HMRC on your tax return for the last 5 years, and they have found some mistakes and certain miscalculation involving your income credit into your bank account. So the judgment has been passed by the officials of HMRC as records are different than what was reported on your tax return. According to HMRC records, when the audit was done on your tax file between the year of 2016 and 2020, they have found out that there were many mistakes in filing the tax return and also found a miscalculation in your tax file. And also when the HMRC attempted to investigate your tax file, they have found out that tax was not deposited on time with the help of income tax payment system. When HMRC attempted to investigate you, it seems you've been a regular taxpayer, and just depending on that, they have also discovered some strong evidence against you, which states that it might not be a result of innocent negligence, but would have been done with the intention to defraud the HMRC. Hence, there is a case being filed against you under the following sections, such as Section 9, Section 1956, and Section 327. The criminal investigation team for HMRC has found out that you have deliberately underreported your income. This shows that you are being convicted for tax crime. The auditors have also found out your tax liabilities on the basis of P60s and wage slip, which is £2,990. At this point of time, we have decided to forcefully recollect this amount from your bank by making a lien against all your personal assets, including your house, car, bank accounts, debit, credit, will be frozen and confiscated. Your passport and travel license will be seized and suspended. There will be a black mark against your national insurance number and credit report. Finally, you do have rights to hire a solicitor and file a case against us in the courthouse. But make sure you are ready to pay court fees, doc fees, solicitor fees, and so on. Make sure once you've been found guilty under the bench of jury, you have to bear a minimum penalties of nothing less than £35,000 and jail term for 7 years. So finally, I did my job to notify you about this case so that you cannot say anyone that you were not aware about this case before you are getting arrested. And only person who is going to reap the rewards or pay the consequences is only you. Now, any questions you have in your mind, you can ask me. I'll try my best to answer those questions. And if required, I may get your call transfers to my superior.
Yeah, I'm a bit confused by this, but quite clearly you're saying that I need to pay some outstanding money or I face jail time, yeah?
Right, that's the miscalculation which is done by you. I have no clue. So how you pay your tax? By your own with the help of your accountant. The amount which you owe to HMRC, including all the taxes, all penalties, which is of £2,990, which you owe to HMRC.
Yeah, how do I pay this?
Okay, don't worry. First of all, let me just explain you that your local tax office Like the officers will explain you first of all why you owe this money and where the mistakes has been made. And after they explain you, officers will give you a case resolvement documents. That
Well,
means they will give you 30 days time limit in order to review those documents and prove yourself innocent. In those 30 days, if anyhow you will able to prove yourself innocent, then the money which you'll pay today as a penalty will be get back to you by a cashier check. That's the option which you have. If you think there is no mistakes with your end by your end, then of course the money which you're going to pay today is will be returned back by cashier check to you. Okay.
yeah, okay. Look, time-wise, I've not got a lot. Um, can you just put me through to the relevant person, and we'll go through this process. I just want to pay this and get it out of the way with and not worry.
Okay. So you just want to pay it. Okay. Before that, can you just help me out, like which bank you are banking with, so we can arrange some payment system for you?
Yeah, I'm with HSBC.
So can you just hold on for a line, so let me connect a line to my superior and accounting person who will guide you that how you're gonna just make a payment and all.
Yeah. Just let me pay this. I just need to get it over and done with.
Okay. So I can guide you to how you're gonna pay it. So you have online access for your bank account.
Yeah. I've got online banking on my phone.
So right now we will arrange accounting department. Once you'll pay it on that account, you just need to take a receipt of payment. And do you have any local office nearby you?
I don't think so. Everywhere's closed anyway. Yeah, I'll just send it via email.
Once you'll get a receipt of that payment, then you just need to send those receipt to your nearest local office, and they will just resolve the case. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so let me just give you the account and a person and everything where you can just transfer. So meanwhile, you can just log in your HSBC account, okay?
Yes, I've got my phone in front of me.
So just hold on. Let me just arrange account for you where you can just transfer and get a receipt, okay?
Okay.
So get ready with your pen and a paper where I can just give you the details where you can just make a note first, then you can make a payment, okay?
Make a note then of payment. Yeah, that makes sense.
So first
Yeah.
make a note of your get a pen and paper hand with you. Okay, because right now I just requested my accounting department to arrange you an account, and make sure once you'll just make a payment, once you get everything as approved, you just need to send that receipt to your nearest local office of HMRC, okay, to resolve the case, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. And in case if you'll get disconnected, you can call me back again and you can ask for Michael, okay? It's Michael Serrano. And my batch number is 116872. So you ready?
Yeah, it's coming up with the option, as I say, is to add as business or personal.
Okay, so for that, let me just ask and take permission just to online for a moment, please. So you're ready with your pen and paper?
Yeah, I've got my pen and paper just here.
Okay, so be handy. I'm just giving you the numbers and all. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, just type a name of bank, which is Monzo Bank.
Monzo.
And now the name of the person is, okay, so now make a note of account number.
Yep.
So account number, which is 9,
Okay.
that's the account number.
Yep.
Now you can make a note of short number.
Yep.
It's 0.
Okay.
Right. And repeat me back the account number.
Yeah, so you've given me the account number of 90. So just double check, how much was it that I need to transfer?
It's 2990.
2990. Yeah, I thought you said that. Okay, cool. And do I need to do this as a business transaction?
Any update, any confirmation, just let me know. I'm holding, okay?
No, I'm just putting this in now.
If you'll face any problem, just help. You can ask me.
Let's get in. Okay, yeah, that's going through now.
Going through now, and once you'll get a confirmation, just let me know, okay?
Yeah, it's taking a bit longer than normal.
Okay, check it.
It's come back with transaction failed. Cannot find the account. Just double check those details again. So it's the account number 9. Yeah, that's what I put in.
Okay, that's correct.
That's what I put in.
You got a name, and you got a name from the bank. It's Monzo Bank.
Yeah, I didn't request that. 2 seconds. Let me try this again. It's going through now. Again, it's taken a lot longer than what normal transactions are taking.
Okay, check it.
Oh yeah, it's coming back as rejected again. Are you sure that you've given me the right details? It's coming back as rejected.
So again, okay, do one thing. So first of all, you added this account, right?
Yeah, I've added as a new PAYAA, whatever that stands for. I've put the reference for that as HMRC. For the transaction itself, I'll do step by step as I'm doing it. So, name of the person. So, right, that's going through again.
Check it.
Yeah, it's still taking longer than normal. I've got a feeling this is going to fail again. Yeah, it's come back with transaction rejected. I'm having no luck with this account. Have you got another one like I can just send it to? I'm sure that you guys have got multiple accounts.
Okay, do one thing. Can you just try sending a small amount? Maybe you're getting problem to send a big amount. Just try sending split the amount.
Could be true. Yeah. How much do you reckon? Like £100? £1?
Just first try for 100.
200.
First, you can try for £100.
Okay, let's try 100. Yeah, it's come back with rejected again. I'm wondering if it's a problem your end.
It's come back again rejected.
Yes, yeah. Is this the only account number that you guys have got?
Okay, let me just check it. Meanwhile, let me just arrange a different account.
Okay.
And if I'm not wrong, first of all, just let me just cross-check and cross-verify. First of all, when I just give it an account number, short code number, and everything, did you edit it in your account?
Yeah, I added as a new PAYEE, so a new payee person.
You added as a new paying person, right?
Yeah, I've added it as a new person, so yeah, it should all be working. Like I've never had this issue before.
Can you just check your account available balance? You have the sufficient funds to transfer?
Let's go back. Yeah, I've still got 16,000 in my account. Yeah,
okay.
It's still there.
And you are sure that you are transferring these funds from your HSBC bank, right? Not from a different bank, right?
No, from my HSBC, that's correct.
Okay.
I've just looked at my transactions and yeah, nothing's gone through. So yeah, those have come back as rejected. I'm not quite sure what to do. You said that you might have another account that I could just pay this to, yeah?
Yeah, I'm arranging it. Don't worry about it. And then meanwhile, you can just try it for £1, just for £1. Just
For £1.
check it whether it's will go through
sure.
or not.
Yeah, it's come back as rejected again.
Again, it's come back rejected. It says any problem over there, or it just says rejected.
No, it just says that this account has been rejected by our server. Shall I ring up HSBC and find out what's going on?
No, don't worry. I'll just try it a different one as well. Don't worry. And you just added this account as your business transaction, right?
As business, yes.
Can you just try it to add your personal? Let's check whether it will go through your personal or not.
Yeah, again, it's coming back as rejected. I think there might be an issue with this account from your end.
So again, it comes up with a rejected.
Yeah, it does. I'm not quite sure what's going on. You said that you've got another one that I can just square this to, yeah?
And do you have your different bank accounts apart from HSBC?
I've got HSBC as my main. I've got my savings with Barclays, but I just transfer over to HSBC.
So you are transferring it from your HSBC bank, right?
To my HSBC from my Barclays. So I use my Barclays, which is my joint account with my wife, Margaret.
No. Right now, first of all, you are transferring your funds from your HSBC bank or from which bank?
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant in general. No, so at the moment I'm on HSBC and I'm transferring to your account via HSBC.
Okay, so you are transferring it by your HSBC bank, right?
Yeah, that's correct, yeah.
Okay, so let me just give you a different account. Let me just arrange and give you a different account.
Okay. Please do it. Please. Come on.
Okay, so I have a different account.
Okay, is it going to the same person?
So it's the account number, which is 02.
So account number is 02.
Now let me give you the short code number. So the name is.
Yeah, it's come back as rejected. I'll try it again. It's been rejected again. You said that you've got an account before 02. How about instead of trying How about instead of trying the large amounts, I'll just do some smaller amounts and see if that works. But it looks like this one's put a block on me as well.
Because you already tried all the amounts for £1, £50, £100.
Yeah,
everything is rejected, you say.
It's been rejected. My initial thought, maybe I'm trying too high a transaction to begin with, and it's put like an automatic block on or something like that. What about if I try smaller amounts with like a new account, and then we can just piece it up bit by bit? What do you reckon's a small amount with HSBC? Like 500 quid? That could be classed as like rent.
Do one thing.
Yeah, let's try a new account, and I'll do £500 or £700 or whatever, and do it in different sections and different times, and we can see if that works. I've got a feeling just because it's too big, maybe they put a block on.
Okay, so I have one question for you. Do you have any ATM machine around you for your HSBC bank?
Yeah, HSBC's in town. Yeah, there's one in town.
ATM machine around.
Yeah.
Is it too far?
I've got one in town, but it's it's coronavirus. It's going on public transport. I'm not comfortable doing that.
Oh, okay. No problem.
No, it just said rejected from the server. Please contact us for further information. Do you want me to give HSBC a call and find out what's going on, and then give you a call back?
Do one thing. I will suggest you better let me arrange last final account for you.
Okay.
If it will not go through, because the account which I'll arrange for you, the last one, you can first try over there only for £1. Okay, first amount. In case it will go through, then you can go for a higher amount. If in case it will not go through, then of course you can call your bank. Okay.
Yeah. So what am I doing? Am I trying the previous person? No, I'm asking. Is that what I'm doing? I'm sending £1 to the account ending in 084.
No. I will just give you one different account, because that was my mistake that I said you the 841. So I'll just give you a different account. Don't worry about it. I'm just arranging one more account.
Okay.
Once you get an account, just let me know, okay?
Yeah. Is this the 84 account ending in?
No. I'll just give you a different one. Just write down. I'm giving you a different account.
Okay.
So the account number is 1. Okay, now you can just write down a soft code number, which is 0.
Yeah, go on.
So the name is right. Now you can add this account first very clearly, and first try sending only £1. That's all. 1 or 2 pounds. That's all. And you can try adding this account as a personal checking.
As personal, not business. Yeah.
Yeah, try just adding by a personal. Let's see if it will work.
Right, I've got £1 going through now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gone through.
Again, comes up with rejected.
Yeah, rejected. Rejected by the server. Please contact HSBC for further information. I'm guessing.
Okay, do one thing.
Yeah,
do one
go on.
thing.
Yeah, go on.
Do you know how? Do you know how to make a 3-way conference call to your bank?
3-way conference call? No, I've got no idea.
Which phone you are using right now, so I can help you out?
I'm on my mobile. It's a Nokia 3310.
So, do you see there is options called add call?
What I'll do is, if I call my bank, I'll find out why I can't do any transaction, and if I call you back,
okay,
and yeah, we'll be able to do something. If I manage to get the money sent, I can send it to any one of these 3 accounts. Is that correct?
Of course, but while transferring the funds to any of the account, we have to stay on the line. So I'll get a confirmation. I'll just get an update, and we can proceed further.
Oh yeah, I was just saying I'm having issues with my bank. Like I can't even send a £1 transaction. So I'm going to call my bank, and if I give you a call back, was it Michael that I'm speaking to?
Right, Michael.
Yeah. If I give you a call back on this number, probably be half hour or so. I'll give you a call back, and I'll let you know, and we'll do the transaction there and then. But if I speak to the bank, hopefully I'll be able to get an answer as to why they've put a suspension on my account.
But make sure, as we are in a recorded line, we are a part of investigation. So make sure once you call your bank, you're going to tell them what you're doing, what you're trying to do.
Well, I'm just going to say I'm trying to do a £2,990 transaction to HMRC for unpaid taxes.
Better you can just tell them, because right now you're a part of this investigation, so make sure don't talk about this case with anyone else. Just tell your bank that I'm facing a problem to transfer funds. I'm just transferring funds to my friends, whatever. It's not going through. What's the problem? That's all you can ask him, okay?
Right, okay. Yeah, it kind of makes sense.
And once you get a confirmation, because you're a part of investigation, everything is confidential. So don't disclose this investigation to your bank. Just let them know you're just making a transfer to your friends, family members. It's not going through. What's the reason? And then after you can call me back, okay?
Yeah, sure. I'll call up my bank now and find out what's going on. And when I ring this
Okay,
number,
so
I just ask for Michael's Serrano ham. Did you say Serrano?
right, you can just call, and anyone will answer your call. Just ask for Michael Serrano. That's all.
Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, I'll give my bank a call now.
Okay.
Thanks for being patient with me, Michael.
No problem. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Oh, sit back and relax. 3 accounts.